Hello everybody and welcome to this week's vlog. I will be doing a Christmassy slash wintry reading vlog this week. I'm currently listening to Snowden at Harper's Inn, which is a Christmas romance story. I found it for free on YouTube, the audiobook, and apparently she has a whole series of these stories where these people go to Harper's Inn, and if you hear Santa's radio playing, then you get matched up. So it's like a matchmaker. It's just very fun and cozy, which is what I was looking for. So I'm gonna do different genres for this week, I think. So there's that one, and then I'm reading Ali Smith's Winter, and I might do a wintry murder mystery at some point, maybe, if I finish Winter by Ali Smith. So that is the plan, and I hope you enjoy. Bye for now. Hello everybody. So we actually lost power last night and it's still off today. It's Saturday. So it's supposed to be back on by 7 p.m. tonight, I hope. Or they said 1 to 3 days. We have different reports from different people. But hopefully it'll be back on soon. So we're out and about getting things charged and stuff. I had a Zoom call today, unfortunately, so I had to go somewhere with internet. So bye for now. Tuesday. So I finished the audiobook I was listening to yesterday. I couldn't listen to it over the weekend because of our power outage, but I was trying to do like a Christmas romance reading vlog, but that didn't really work out. So the other book I was reading during the blackout was called Winter by Ali Smith. And this was like the one book I can find in our stash about winter related things. And this is a literary fiction book. It's very weird. I don't fully understand it, but I'll just read the description. Winter, bleak, frosty wind, earth as iron, water as stone, so the old song goes. And now Art's mother is seeing things. Come to think of it, Art's seeing things himself. When 4 people, strangers, and family converge on a 15-bedroom house in Cornwall for Christmas, will there be enough room for everyone? Winter. It makes things visible. In Ali Smith's Winter, life force matches up to the toughest of the seasons in the second novel in her seasonal cycle. So, yeah, she wrote a 4-book. It's not really a series. You can read them separately, but the one before this is called Autumn, and then one before this is called Autumn, and then Winter, and Spring and Summer. So, but you can read them separately. I really like this. I thought it would be really difficult to read, but it's really not. I read 80 pages on Saturday when we had no power by the fire, which is really nice. So I'm really almost done with this book. I'm on page 223. And the audiobook I listened to, called Snowed In at Harper's Inn, I really liked it. It had a lot of Christmas magic in it, which was fun. It created a lot of havoc, which is a lot of fun. Not really mind-blowing in any way, but if you want like a cozy Christmas romance story, that's the one. I found it on YouTube for free. She has a whole series about that. Christmas magic stories where 2 people go to this inn, Harper's Inn, for Christmas, and they obviously get snowed in. And the idea about the inn is that they have Santa's radio, and if anybody hears Santa's radio playing, then it starts matching people up, so it creates a whole new reality for them and just like throws people in to the deep end pretty much. So Lacey and her best friend Jared go away, and they end up getting matched up by the radio, which is really funny. So yeah, that's my reading week so far. I might pick another book. I have no idea what that is yet. I think I'm gonna do like a Christmas murder mystery. I think that would be fun. I was kind of like deciding that I should make it all different genres, winter related, since this weekend is Christmas. So yeah, that's my update for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. everybody. So I managed to finish 3 books this week, which might be my record, I don't know. I finished the audiobook Snowden at Harper's Inn and Winter by Ali Smith, and on my Kindle I finished The Stroke of Winter last night. I stayed up till 2 a.m. reading because we lost power again. It came on this morning around 10:30. That was a good ghost story for last night with the wind howling outside and rain, and it was a huge storm. Trees kept falling everywhere and knocking power out. So, yeah, that was my power outage night. So I wish everybody happy holidays, whichever one you celebrate this time of year. Tomorrow is Christmas, and I really enjoy Christmas. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.